Bumbling Blogger. I'm Alice and I'm here with my helpers Sophia and Ezra when we're going to open our March Curiosity box. Oh! Disaster! Sophia, the box! After that brief interlude, we are ready to open the box. There you go, Sophia. Are you ready to dive on in there? So as always, we have the little letter that says thank you for purchasing. We've got some nice cardboard packaging to keep the books safe. And then they come in a lovely blue tissue papered little package with a lovely big C sticker on them. Can you get through the paper? I'm sure you can, my love. Oh, yeah. Well done, Ezra, for helping. Okay, so on the top here we've got a little postcard, a little piece of art of somebody in the garden with their flowers. I'll try and show you that properly in a second. We've just managed to explode books all over the floor. It's going well this time. Whoop! So we have... Oh no, Sophia, Daddy's getting it. Daddy's getting it. It's okay, my love. You can get back up. If you don't want to, that's okay. Bye-bye, Sophia. So we have a magic crayon worksheet. You can do some drawing and then write about your magical adventure. We have... Yep, Sophia's just trying to show you the little postcard that we said, right? Would you like to show them the postcard of the lady in her garden? If you hold it up to the camera, my love, they'll be able to have a look at it. No, I think I want to keep this just for myself. So we have The Last Garden by Rachel Ip and Annalie Bray, which is in a war-torn land, a little girl tends to the very last garden. But in a city that's empty and breaking apart, will the garden ever bloom again? Sophia's now playing skipping rope with our microphone. We have some stickers. Ooh! Some stickers of a little girl sat on a swing in a beautiful garden. Those are very nice. We do love stickers. Sophia will proceed to stick those all over the house. What's Ezra got there? Ezra's got The Magic Crayon by Amy. Someone. Amy Sparks and Ali Pie. What would you draw if your picture came to life? There's a little girl called Chloe who has a magic crayon and she gets to go on a thrilling chase through a fairy tale world. That sounds very, very cool. That's what our worksheet goes with. Oh, we've also got some other worksheets as well. We've got a box jam full of stuff this month. We've got a Spot the Difference and another Spot the Difference and some colouring as well. Wow! Lots of different things going on in this month's books. And then the last book this month is The Best of Friends, The Last of His Kind by Jean Willis and Paddy Donnelly. But one terrible stormy night, a ship goes down and only one young boy survives. He finds himself washed up on a deserted island. Nobody is there except for Hom. Oh, that's a beautiful art style. Please, please, what, my love? Do you want the cardboard? Yeah, I think he wants the packaging cardboard. That's okay. Is that what you're most interested in this time? Ezra, that's not a book, mate.
It's cool, Mummy.
Apparently we're really impressed by the contents of the box, such as the recyclable packaging. So, Mr. Ezra, would you like to choose which book is your favourite this month? So you've got Hom, you've got The Magic Crayon, or you've got The Last Garden. Which one do you think you're going to like the most? I think, which one are we going to go for? Oh, that looks like that's The Last Garden to me. No, we changed our mind. We just want the packaging again.
Sophia's going for The Last Garden because she likes the stickers.
Sophia is very happy with her stickers over in the corner, so that's good at least. Well, thank you for watching our unboxing. I'm sorry that we seem far more interested in the cardboard this time than we do in the books. If you like this video, then please do give it a like, and if you would like to subscribe, then we'd be super duper grateful. We post a new Curiosity unboxing every single month, so if you'd like to see these adorable little chunkies some more, then they are always around on the channel. And we post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. We will see you soon. Can you wave bye-bye, Mr. Ezra? Seeing as your sister's abandoned us. Can you wave bye-bye? Oh, Sophia's coming back. Unwillingly, but... Can you wave bye-bye, Sophia?
Do you want to give it to Mummy?
Oh, have you got a sticker, my love? Do you want me to pop the sticker on your little dress? No?
No.
No, Daddy, I didn't want to come back. Can you wave bye-bye before you go? Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh, good boy, Ezra.
Sophia,
She can go to sleep if she'd like to.
do you want to open the box?
Right.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
The box fell off. We need to get Emily Elephant back in first, of course. No, Sophia's disappeared.
Do you not want to open the box, Sophia?
But, Sophia, you can bring your apple and open the box, yeah? You've got to go underneath. Be very, very careful. Good girl. Now come and sit. Sweetheart, you've got to sit this side, my love. We've got a gap on the sofa for you this side. There we go. Huh.
No.
Oh no. Oh,
Have 2 for
whoa,
now. We'll save the others
dude.
for later, okay? Save the others for later.
we are not doing any reading today.
Oh, he's too scared.
Oh, you couldn't get up, doll, sweetheart.